Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Kickstart video for August 13th, 2024. In the Kickstart video, I take a look at three of the major currency pairs: the euro versus US dollar, dollar versus yen, and sterling versus US dollar from a technical perspective. So let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart, the euro versus US dollar, and late yesterday, I talked about the price holding right here against the 100-hour moving average. There's a little nuance in what was an up and down trading day yesterday, but most of the day in the New York session traded above this 100-hour moving average. The price did move higher, but we did find early resistance sellers a few pips short of this swing area between 1.0941 and 1.0948. Sellers entered and pushed the price lower in the European session. That the price moved below the 100-hour moving average. We had zoo economic data come out of Germany and the EU, which was weaker than expected, and that may have helped push the price below that level. But over the last few hours, we're seeing a rebound to the upside, and the US PPI data came in lower than expectations. Hope for PCE at the end of the month, and CPI perhaps tomorrow. And the price has since moved up and moved back into this swing area again up to 1.0948. We're currently trading at 1.0941, so just short of the low of this swing area. If we get above the 48 level, it should open up the door with a look toward this level up here at 1.09632. Those were these two highs before the market moved to the downside through here. And if we get above that level, it opens up the door for the 110 level, the 110.07 level, this swing area up to 109.98 up to 110.164. You can see the importance of that by going to the 4-hour chart and moving back in time. Actually, got to go way back in time to this area right through here, going back to November and December and maybe into January of 2023 and 24. That swing area moves up to 110.16. So that's the progression, but we still need to get above this little swing area right through here between, up at 1.0948. Get above that level, opens the door for further upside momentum. Let's take a look at the dollar versus yen next. And well, not a lot of price action in the dollar versus yen. The high price that we saw in trading here today found willing sellers against the previous highs through here. In trading yesterday, we did move above that high, but then reestablished resistance against that line right through here. That's the line, and you can see how the market then rotated to the downside. We did start the day right here against the 100 and 200-hour moving average, holding that level. Moving to the upside was good, but we couldn't get above that upper target there at 147.88. We did move back down toward our 100-hour moving average, and then we'll have the 200-hour moving average to contend with. Those levels come at 147.05 and 146.74 respectively. But as you can see right now, the price has already found support against the 05 level and bounced up to the 32 level. So the battle's on between this swing level up here at 147.88 and the 100-hour moving average at 147.05. Again, if we break below the 100-hour moving average, we still got work to do to get back below the 200-hour moving average, where both those 100 and 200 held support earlier in the day. Finally, let's take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. And again, I'll look at the hourly chart. And what we've seen is price action moving up and down in trading here today. We did have mixed employment data where the unemployment rate moved lower, but the claimant count was higher than expectations, so it caused some volatility initially, or the price moved higher initially today, but it ran into the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, and then we started move back down and came back into the swing area down here between 127.53 and 127.77, and found support buyers against that, and you can see that the price has since moved higher after the PPI data came out and moved back up toward our 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart and 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Currently trading at 128.06, just below those levels. We're going to need to get above this area to increase the bullish bias. If we can't get above this area, then the sellers are going to push the price back to the downside. It's as simple as that, but this is obviously the next key target on the top side to get to and through for the sterling versus US dollar. If I put a Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low right here, that the 38.2% retracement, oh, look at that, happens to be right near the 100 bar moving average. So not only do we have resistance against the 38.2% retracement, but we also have resistance against the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, coming in at the same level. So that increases that level's importance. So there you have it, a look at the three major currency pairs in the Kickstart video for August 13, 2024. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.